Is your Epson ET-2760 refusing to print in color? Maybe your documents are missing colors completely, even though your ink tanks aren't empty. Don't worry, this is a common printer issue, and in most cases, it's easy to fix. In this video, I'll walk you through two simple methods that can help restore color printing on your Epson ET-2760. If you need one-on-one assistance, call us at the number shown on your screen. Otherwise, follow along and let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Clean the printhead. On your printer's display, go to Settings. Select Maintenance. Scroll down and choose Head Cleaning. Press the Start button to begin the printhead cleaning process. Once the cleaning is complete, select Nozzle Check and press OK. Load a sheet of letter or A4 size paper into the rear paper feed. Press the Start button to print the nozzle check pattern. Examine the printed nozzle check page. Make sure all the color lines are complete and there are no gaps or missing sections. If the colors are still not printing correctly, don't worry. Let's move on to the next method and update your printer's firmware. Method 2. Update the printer firmware. Open your web browser and visit the official Epson Firmware Update web page. Scroll down and click the Download it here link. On the redirected page, scroll down and click the Download button that matches your computer's operating system. Choose where you'd save your file, then click Save. Once the download is complete, locate the installer, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. When the Epson license agreement appears, review the terms, select Agree, and click OK. In the Epson Software Updater window, select your Epson ET-2760 printer. Wait while the updater checks for the available software and firmware updates. If a firmware update is available, check the Firmware Updater box and click Install Items. When prompted again with the Epson license agreement, select Agree and click OK. Wait for the firmware update files to download. In the Epson Firmware Updater window, review the instructions and precautions, then click Start to begin the update. Wait while the firmware update is prepared and installed. Do not turn off the printer during the process. Once the update is complete, click Finish and try printing a color document again. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.